Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to install HP Laserjet Tank MFP 2606 SDW printer. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon, open Chrome browser, type here printer model number HP Laserjet MFP 2606 SDW drivers. After type this, press enter. You see here HP Laserjet Tank MFP 2606 SDW printer. Click on this, right click, open new tab. Download page is open. Click on accept all cookies. Scroll down. You see here install software and drivers include printer, scanner, latest features and solutions. Click on download. File is download. Open download. Click on this. Okay. Double click. File is extracting. Please wait. Click on yes. This is printer installation. Welcome to HP Easy Setup. Start. Okay. Please wait. Click on accept all option. Click on continue. You see here printer found HP Laserjet Tank MFP 260X. Okay. Click on continue. Type here pin for printer installation. For this pin, press information button on printer. Click on submit. Checking your software needs. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Click on accept all. Skip account activation. Click on this. I am selecting here notify and click on apply. I am selecting here basic drivers. Click on continue. Required file is downloading. Please wait. File is downloaded. Extracting. Click on yes. Click on yes. This is scanner software install, HP Scan Assist. Okay. Click on no. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Setup is complete. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.